Don't know if you got a girl. Don't mean to disrespect, but thoughts of you rule my world. I even dream of you, I swear. Visions of you and I.
Hello loves, welcome back to my channel. So I'm here with another video, and today's video is going to be on this cute little bob from Cynosure Hair. I believe I'm pronouncing it correctly. Yes, Cynosure Hair. I've worked with them before in the past, but it's been a while since I did a video for them, and I really love this bob. It is super affordable and super amazing for this time of the year. This is pretty much as long as I will go right about now. It is so hot, so muggy, and just so humid where I am right now, and this is about as much as I will do wig wise right about now. Like, during this time of the year, August, early September, I really just kind of stick with buns, honestly, of my natural hair, or some type of ponytail, like anything out of my face and off my neck. But this one is okay. It's very lightweight, and the hair is so freaking soft. I loved the actual lace on this unit. It's very thin and soft. It doesn't portray itself to be on the website to be HD lace, but as you can see, it is absolutely melted and is absolutely gorgeous. So I just put a little bit of layers here in the front to give me like a nice little bang, and I think that this is a perfect like everyday style. I love it. Only thing that I can say that these knots were a little bit difficult to bleach. I'm not going to put it all on the company though, because I usually leave my when I'm bleaching knots, I usually leave the bleach on there for about 25 to 30 minutes, sometimes 35, depending on if the knots are double knotted or not. But yeah, this one I left on for maybe about 15 minutes, and then I tried to wash it out, so I ended up having to re-bleach them. So half of that is kind of my fault as well. So they were kind of a little bit difficult, but I also didn't do what I normally do. So yeah, if you guys want a more detailed video of me showing you how I bleach the knots, all of that stuff, I used to do that a lot and on every video, so it was kind of getting redundant and repetitive, so I just kind of went to just installing the unit on. But if you guys want to go back to that type of style of video where I show you all of the steps, let me know. But yeah, this is a really cute wig. I did do the glueless method, you will see that. And I hope you guys enjoy the rest of this video, and I will see you queens in my next one. Give this video a big thumbs up, make sure you are subscribed, and hit that bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming uploads. It's free, it don't cost you nothing to subscribe, and I will see you queens in my next video. Deuces.
Cavalier. Don't know if you got a girl. Don't mean to disrespect, but thoughts of you rule my world. I even dream of you, I swear. Visions of you and I see you all around my way. Been meaning to say hi, but I'm just way too shy. I gotta make you see this is more than just a silly crush. And I wonder if you even notice me. You gotta feel me. And I would love you good. Just wanna be your girl. All alone at night, I harbor feelings for
So, y'all, I had to come in on the end of this video and just say how much I love this wig. It just looks like if my hair was the healthiest it's ever been. Like, oh my gosh, I love this wig. It looks so natural. Let me know what y'all think down below. Am I tripping or is this like scalpage to me? Like, it just looks so good. I love it. Love y'all, and I will see you queens in my next video. Deuces.